This one we did for the fence contractor that I knew. He put in a gate and everything, wanted it automated. He didn't want to pay the monthly fees for the additional cell phones or anything like that. It was too far away from his house to really utilize like the MyQ app or the GoGo gate or anything. We didn't have any kind of line running from his gate out to the house. The house is about a quarter mile away. But I wanted to make something where he could still push a button in the house or hit his remote in the house and still let somebody in, a delivery driver, whatever. His wife was home, she'd be able to let somebody in the gate without driving all the way down to the gate. So what we did with the SureFi is I wired up a SureFi bridge kit, and one was going to be in the gate operator. I took one up. I'll just build this box. I thought, well, hell, I could just build this box. We could have the remote, power supply, battery backup. So I just took the PVC box, kind of built it together, put a 12 volt DC power supply charge board in there, 12 volt 1.3 amp hour battery, and a 433 megahertz just a standalone receiver, which is the same one that we had in the gate. So the same remote that opens his gate is the same remote when he's in the car at the gate is the same. It works at the house too. So anywhere, pretty much anywhere within the proximity of the gate or his house, he can open that gate. What I also did after I installed it was wired up a button next to his garage door button and just ran it over and wired it in so that they can hit the garage door button and the gate button at the same time. And by the time they get down to their gate, it's ready to go, ready to close. They're driving out, they can just hit the button on the visor and close the gate.